Hello everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. My name is Chris and I'm so happy to have you here. So if you are new here, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for joining and also to welcome you here officially. So here we explore all the amazing places across Kenya, ranging from forests and parks to historical sites and hidden games. So guys, today I'm here at Nairobi Animal Orphanage that's located right inside the Nairobi National Park. So you could wonder what's this orphanage all about, what's happened here and so forth and so forth. But I want to assure you that by the end of the video, you will have all the answers regarding to Nairobi Animal Orphanage. So guys, let's get in and see what it has to offer. So guys, some of the animals that you are going to see here include the lion, we have the hyena, the porcupine, we have the crocodile, the cheetah, the leopard, warthog, antelopes, the giraffe, buffalo, monkey, among others. So guys, for some of you who are wondering what is this animal orphanage all about, so here is your answer. So the Nairobi National Orphanage is a wildlife rescue and rehabilitation center where the injured, the orphaned, and the rescued animals are given a second chance. And so here, the visitors have the rare opportunity to see a variety of Kenya's incredible wildlife up close while learning about the importance of conservation. Beyond being a tourist attraction, the animal orphanage also plays a vital role in educating the public, caring for vulnerable animals, and inspiring future generations to protect Kenya's rich natural heritage. So here we have the African crown crane. In Kiswahili it's called koronko, and it's one of Kenya's beautiful birds. It's easily recognized by its striking golden crown of feathers. They are commonly found in wetlands and grasslands where they feed on insects, seeds, small reptiles, and other small animals. Okay, so over here we have the African lion, which is referred to as the king of the jungle. The lions are the only big cats that live in social groups called prides. Although they are powerful predators, they also face threats like loss of habitat. Okay, the jungle can catch fire, and also human conflict. So over here we have the guinea fowl, and it's a native African bird that spends most of its time on the ground searching for seeds, insects, and fruits. Okay, over here we have the hyenas. The striped hyenas. You know, we have two types. We have the spotted and the striped. And most of people often misunderstood hyenas. They think that hyenas are just scavengers, but in this sense, they are not just scavengers, but they are actually skilled hunters with the powerful jaws that can crush the bones, right? So they also hunt their own prey. Okay, now this one here, this one over right here, this one is spotted hyena. As you can see, the body is featured with the black spots, right? Over right here, we have the peafowl. In Kiswahili, it's called tausi, and it's one of the world's most striking birds. Okay, over here we have the porcupine. In Kiswahili, it's called nungu nungu. Over here we have the crocodiles. Hope you can see them over there. They spend most of their time in water waiting for prey. So one thing that I've loved about the Nairobi Animal Orphanage is that here the wildlife are kept secure, well maintained enclosures to protect both the animals and the visitors. We have the strong barriers and safety measures that allow guests to observe wildlife up close while ensuring safe and enjoyable experience for everyone. Over here we have the warthog, a tough and adaptable wild pig that is easily recognized by its curved tusks and distinctive facial warts. So today being a Saturday, today also
I've
being a
also come
Saturday,
across
I've
so
come across
many
so many
students
students
from
from
different
different schools,
schools
different
from different
regions
regions
who are
who
on
are
a
on a
school
school
tour.
tour.
And it's good because it's good also for students to come and see the wildlife in practical rather than just reading them in books, right? I have also observed that there are clean washrooms, comfortable seats, and strategically placed dustbins throughout the facility. Now, these amenities make the visit more convenient for the visitors and encourage proper waste disposal and help maintain clean, safe, and enjoyable environment for the visitors. I've also come across different sculptures of different animals across the facility. Over here we have the leopard. It's called the African leopard, and it's one of the most secretive and adaptable big cats. Unlike lions, leopards usually live alone and are excellent climbers. Now, we have some people who confuse between the cheetah and the leopard. Yeah. So, for cheetahs, cheetahs are built for explosive speed with slim bodies, long legs, and solid black spots. And they also have a distinctive black tail line running from their eyes. On the other hand, the leopards have rosette-shaped spots that look like small roses. They are muscular and excellent climbers. So here we have the monkeys, and the monkeys are intelligent primates, and they live in social groups and communicate using different sounds and body language. Here we have the cheetah. Hope you can see it up there. Yeah. Yeah, we have the giraffe, although this is a young giraffe. Here we have the cheetah again. Yes, the fastest land animal. It can reach a speed of up to 110 to 120 kilometers per hour. Okay, on my personal perspective, this tour has been one of the exciting and unforgettable adventure, right? I've been so excited to see this wildlife up close. There are animals that I've never seen before. I've seen them for the first time, like the lion, and it has been so exciting. So, guys, we have come to the end of our adventure, and it's my hope that you've enjoyed exploring the Nairobi Animal Orphanage with me today. And so, if you found this video interesting, kindly please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves wildlife and travel. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next adventure. Keep exploring and keep appreciating the beauty of our country, Kenya.